everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina and today I have my Boxycharm unboxing and try on. So this is my, what month are we in? This is my May Boxycharm and look how oddly shaped it is. It's like very long and strangely shaped, but what really matters is what's on the inside. Now, if you are new to my Boxycharm unboxings and try-ons, basically I open the box beforehand, I put on all of the items on my face so I can give you a review of them. Now, before I jump into showing you what I got in my Boxycharm this month and all of my thoughts on the items, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload every single day, Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard, and I don't want you guys to miss out on any of my videos if you are interested in these. And now let's just hop on into the box. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. I'm sure a lot of you guys know. The price did recently go up due to a tax thing. I'm not sure the specifics, but the price did go up. So it costs $22 every month now, which I mean still isn't a bad price. It's only gone up a little bit technically, but still, price did go up. So it's $22 per month for the box. You're supposed to get 4 to 6 full-sized items in these boxes typically, and they're all usually like major brands and stuff like that. So that is how this works. I feel like most of you guys probably know how this works by now. So the theme for this month's box was Make Waves, which I really like the way this looks. Like, I just like the design of this. I think it's really pretty. I don't know why. And we did end up getting 5 full-sized items in this box, and after last month's box I was really on the fence on canceling my subscription, but then this box went and convinced me that maybe I need to keep it. I don't know. I have such FOMO with it. But let's just hop into what I got in mine. We're gonna get the first item out of the way because it's the only item I wasn't technically able to try today, and it's because it's a cleanser. So I received in my box the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Facial Cleanser. I was super pumped to see this in the box because I feel like Glam Glow overall is usually a pretty expensive brand. It's well known, and I was actually, you know, wanting to try a new cleanser. So I was excited to see this. The box is really pretty. The actual tube of the face wash is the same kind of cool coloring. I mean, I'm always down to try new skincare. I was excited to see this. I think they had 2 options for this. It was between the Glam Glow and a First Aid Beauty moisturizer, which I didn't want the First Aid Beauty moisturizer because their products typically have coconut oil in it, and those always break me out. I break out really bad with coconut oil, so I was really hoping for this instead just because I wouldn't have been able to use the moisturizer anyways. But this I'm really excited to try out. I've tried a lot of Glam Glow skincare in the past and I've always liked it. This retails for $28, so this guy right here paid for the box, and then we got a little, you know, it's like we got a discount on it. So this was a good item in my opinion. Now if you're looking at me and wondering why I'm wearing so much blush today, it's because I got the item I really wanted. Now I follow Boxycharm on Instagram and they always post like sneak peeks on what you could possibly get in your box, and they showed this, and me and Lainey both wanted this because I know she sent a picture to me, and I got it. I was so excited that I got the itCosmetics blush trio. Like, look at these blushes, you guys. They're so beautiful. This packaging is beautiful. I was so excited to see another itCosmetics product because I love the palette that we got. And overall, I just really like this brand in general. This retails for $22. So again, this paid for my box, and this, I would be happy with just getting this in the box essentially, just because I love this. I went a little heavy on the blush because I did want to try out 2 of the colors. I put on Seclusion and Isla. I don't know how to read apparently. But I put on these 2 colors today, and the formula feels so nice. It's so smooth. It was a lot more pigmented than I was expecting. I don't know why. I didn't swatch it beforehand, but it did definitely go on a lot more pigmented than I thought. So I went a little heavy with it today, but I love this like Seclusion natural orangey color. It's what is on the majority of my cheeks. I put a little bit of the corally color in the outer part, but this Seclusion color is beautiful. I can see myself getting a lot of wear out of all of these, honestly. But definitely during the spring and summer, these 2 are probably going to be my go-tos. It has a slight sheen to it, so it makes your skin look a little bit more like lively and glowy. I think it's going to be super beautiful during the summer. So this was definitely This is probably my favorite item in the box. I'll just go ahead and throw it out there because I was so excited to see this. Now, I don't really buy blushes often because I have so many and blushes are really hard to use, but I don't mind getting this. This is so nice. I'm so glad I got to try out this formula. Definitely a win for this box. The third item that I got in my box was this Ciate London, what is it? The Cream Shadow Duo Flip thing. What is it called? The Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. This retails for $22, and while that pays for the box, this is probably one of my least favorite items that came this month, just because I feel like it kind of looks funny. I did end up putting this all over my eyelids today, and I put it on my eyelids by itself at first because when I swatched it on my hand, I thought it would look like almost a wet lid kind of situation. But as I tried to blend it with my finger, it just kind of dissipates into glitter. And then when I was trying to like build it up, because it is what's on my eyes still, like this is all of the makeup that I did earlier, obviously, it just kind of loses its luster. I'm not sure if I was using it correctly or the color just isn't that great, but it definitely does have a duochrome to it, which is supposed to, I think that's supposed to be the appeal to this. It's supposed to be like a flip. In mine, it looks purpley pink in the tube, but on my eyes, it comes off champagne gold. So I don't know if there is a shift to it. I'm honestly not sure. This is definitely my least favorite item in the box. I was excited to see another Ciate product because Ciate is a brand I'm really interested in, but this just kind of flopped for me a little bit, so this is definitely my least favorite item in the box. Now this next item is one that's very obvious on my face, and it's the lip color that I ended up getting. So we had a lot of options on variations for lip color in this box, and I was very lucky to receive a Dose of Color one, which I received Coral Crush, which, oh my god, is on my mouth. Like, it's very obvious that I'm wearing this color, but I love these. These lipsticks feel so good. It retails for $18, so this is about the price of the box as well, and just overall I love this. I think this is going to be a great summer color. I feel like it's a little overpowering. It's definitely like fluorescent coral in your face, but I think for the summer and the end of the spring here that we're getting, I think this will be really, really pretty with certain looks. I really like the color. I'm a huge fan of coral. So I was really excited to see that I got this color because it's different from what I have. It's definitely going to be a staple for me during the summer, and I'm very excited. Also, this is super comfortable formula, and I've been wanting to pick up more of the Dose of Colors liquid lips, so I was super pumped to see this. So this is probably like my second favorite item in the box. It's up there because I was super pumped to see this. I've been wearing it for about an hour now, and it does transfer. I think you can see, let me pick up my coffee cup. So as you can see, it does transfer a little bit. Oh, you can't really see that. But it doesn't really fade. I did also eat my lunch a second ago and it didn't really fade or anything, but it's super comfortable. So this is definitely one of the better liquid lipsticks that I've ever tried. I've been wearing it for a while and it's not bothering me yet. So definitely a winner when it comes to that. Even with the mild transfer, I find that with liquid lipsticks nowadays, if it transfers a little bit, I don't care anymore. It used to be I didn't want my lipstick to move at all, but I find that those formulas are typically a lot more drying and I just don't like the feel of them. So I'm very excited to have this kind of formula where it transfers a little bit and is a lot more comfortable. Because you guys know me, here lately I haven't been wearing many liquid lipsticks, but this is definitely one I can stand behind. And then the last item I got in my box is another one that I'm actually wearing on my mouth. It's not going to be very noticeable because it is a liquid, not a liquid liner, it is a lip liner, which you guys know I don't really use lip liners. I really don't feel like I need to most often, but I figured for the video I would use this lip liner. This is a Vintage by Jessica Liebskind, and it's a cashmere lip pencil, and I will say I don't use lip pencils very often, but this formula was so smooth. I thought it, because it's like a regular pencil form, I was like, oh, it's gonna be dry, it's gonna like tug on my lips. It didn't. It felt really, really nice. I lined like the upper part of my lips and the outer corners to give me some more definition, and I think it did a really good job. I think it helped me really with my liquid lipstick application. I think it helped me even my lips out because my lips are naturally a little bit uneven because no face is perfectly symmetrical, so I like to try and make my lips a little bit more even when I do wear liquid lipsticks, and this made it a lot easier for me to get it in the right line. So maybe I'm like gonna go back to using a lip liner. I don't know. We'll see, but I do really like this. I think the color is really nice. I think it's really versatile, and we've gotten Vintage Cosmetics before, and I've liked everything that we've gotten from them. I just don't gravitate towards them for some reason, so I'm hoping I can start using them a little bit more, like regularly, and get a better feel for them. But I'm pleased with this. Now, this is quite expensive for a lip liner. This retails for $21. Don't know why it's that expensive, but again, this kind of paid for the box. Everything in this box this month was above the value of the box or more. So I think this month they really knocked it out of the park. So guys, that was everything I got in my Boxycharm this month. That was all of my try-ons, all of my reviews. I honestly was really on the fence on canceling my Boxycharm last month because last month I didn't enjoy it very much, but this month I literally pretty much enjoyed everything. The only thing that was really a pitfall for me was the Ciate like cream eyeshadow. I just don't really know how to use it or like how to have more impact. Now I did just recently I ordered yesterday actually the NYX glitter primer, so I'm hoping maybe that will help because I needed it for another product I have in my project pan. So maybe a product like that will help with the intensity of the Ciate cream eyeshadow. So I'm gonna keep playing with it because I like the color and I like the concept of it. And I think it could be really, really pretty. It's just, it's not as like wham bam in your face as I want it to be. So honestly, that's really my only complaint with this box. Everything else I feel like I'm gonna get good use out of. Definitely the Alamar palette is my favorite item, and I'm super pumped about it. I will probably have really intense blush for the rest of the month because I'm definitely putting it in my everyday makeup drawer because I want to keep playing with it. And yeah, that's pretty much how I feel about my Boxycharm this month. If you guys get Boxycharm, definitely let me know down in the comments what your favorite item was, or maybe what your least favorite item is, maybe both, whichever one. Oh, before I leave, variation number. I had variation number 4. So if you have any other variation, I would love to hear what you got, what your favorite item was, what your least favorite item was, and all of that. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and hopefully that means I see all of you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!